One eternity later.
Hello, I hope you're all well. So this package is from Finer Filters. I've already opened this package, but nothing special, guys. This is just the RO water filter cartridges for my RODI system outside. I do 10% water change once a week, so this should last for a while for me. So this is the 4-stage compact RO system replacement, 50 GPD I think, rated membrane.
A few moments later.
So this one is for the post-activator coconut carbon filter. I think it removes chlorine and a bunch of other chemicals, I think. This is for the membrane, really. So what does it remove? I'm not so sure. But it's a reverse osmosis membranes, so it is good. And the last one is the RO resin, I think, DI resin. So this should be in the last stage of the setup. So it's pretty good. It is quite cheap. I think I don't know exactly how much even, but I know that it is pretty cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna do water change, and then I'm gonna take measurements of the TDS and compare it with my feed water, tap water. See, it is actually see how it performs really. So yep. So this is it. I really don't know what to say, guys, but this anemone is just so popping. So I've got the Prime 16 HD. Show these.